The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Pull the rug back slightly to gain access to the filter housing. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. With the smaller side facing right, insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the front of the car. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the rug.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.